Hi everybody, my name's Alex. I'm the owner of SkyMo USA. Today I want to talk about one of our top 3 best sellers. This is the adjustable radio mount here. It clamps together on your cup holder or the sidewall of your console, and most of the things we sell are vehicle specific, but this one is not. It is actually adjustable, so it fits a wide range of vehicles. Now in front of me is the center console out of a 2014 to 2018 Silverado or Sierra, and the reason for this video is lately I've been getting a lot of questions about how one might mount a radio on this console so that the radio ends up right here in front of the cup holders. And in answering people's questions about this and in testing it, I found that the adjustable radio mount was absolutely perfect for this application. It mounts in between the cup holders here very nicely, and it is a super solid fit. So I just wanted to demonstrate what that looks like and show you how you might be able to mount a radio here. When you get the adjustable mount, it comes with 2 sets of bolts, one shorter and one longer. For this application, we're going to need the longer set of bolts, so I'm just going to remove these and replace them with these 4-inch bolts. Okay, so I kind of got them started there, and that obviously gives you a much larger area there to clamp. Also included when you purchase one of these is this insert, and if you notice, this piece here is curved, and the reason that's curved is because a lot of applications are for a cup holder, so you're going to be placing this in a curved cup holder, and this piece is curved so it fits in there nicely. But some people are mounting these on console sidewalls, surfaces like this that are flat, and so in order to accommodate that, you can put the insert over the curved piece, and that creates a flat surface here. For this application, since we are mounting in between the cup holders, this is a flat surface. So I'm going to use that insert here and clamp it between the 2 primary pieces of the mount. And once it's set in place, I'll just start tightening these down. So that's about as tight as I can get it by hand. So now I'm just going to bring this in and kind of alternate on both of these bolts until it feels solid and secure. Now for this application, I'm tightening it until these 4-inch bolts are just barely sticking out of the back of here. I don't want them protruding too far out the back, and that level of tightness has been sufficient to keep this thing in place. Now, as you can tell, this is pretty solid. It ain't going anywhere. And then it gives you a nice surface here to mount your radio. Okay, so zooming in here, here's our insert and our piece back here. And then you can see that here are the mounting slots for your radio bracket, and it gives you plenty of space to kind of drop your radio into there, which I will demonstrate right now. Okay, so your next step is going to be to get your radio bracket on the mount here. So let's get that done. And once that's in place, you can go ahead and get your radio mounted up. And there you are. So let's talk about some of the positives and negatives of this particular configuration. One of the positives is just the location of the radio, right? Like, this is well within reach of the driver. It's sitting right here where you would want it. You can kind of angle your radio towards you so it's easy to see, and everything is within easy reach. It's also just a really solid mount, so I think this works really well in this application. But there are a couple downsides, mainly the amount of space this is taking up and where it's taking up that space. So you do kind of lose, there's still quite a bit of room, at least with this radio, between the bottom of the radio and the bottom of the console there. So in theory you could put stuff in there, but it's going to be fairly difficult to access. You don't have the best access to your console space anymore. And then the second thing is you are taking up a little bit of space in both cup holders. So you can definitely still fit smaller drinks in there, but if that's important to you, this might not be the best solution for you. But if you do have a 2014 to 2018 Silverado with the full console in it, and you want to get your radio mounted here so it sits inside the console cavity, this is a great solution, and it can be found on skymo.com. I will drop a link to that in the description of this video. If you have any questions about this, please drop them in the comments, and I'd be happy to help, and I'll see you next time.